Good morning, students. This video is on the topic the Union Legislature. Legislature is that organ of the government which makes laws. In India, the Union Legislature, that is the Parliament, consists of the President and the two houses, the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. The President is an integral part of the Parliament, though he does not sit in the Parliament. But no bill can become a law without the assent of the President. We begin here with the upper house of the Parliament, that is, Rajya Sabha, also called as the Council of the States. The Rajya Sabha can have the maximum of 250 members. Out of these, 238 represent the states and union territories. 12 members are nominated by the President. These are the people who have distinguished themselves in the field of art, literature, science, and social service. The Vice President of India is the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. As Rajya Sabha is a permanent house, one-third of its members retire every second year. To become a member of Rajya Sabha, a person must be a citizen of India, 30 years of age and above, not hold any office of profit, and not be of unsound mind. Students, this is the image of the Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu. We will now study about Lok Sabha or the lower house, also called as the House of the People. It is so called because it consists of the representatives of the people of our country. These representatives are elected directly by the people. The Lok Sabha can have maximum of 552 members. 530 members are to be elected from the states, 20 members from the union territories. 2 members are nominated by the President from the Anglo-Indian community if this community does not have adequate representation in the Lok Sabha. The presiding officer of the Lok Sabha is the Speaker. This is an image of the present Speaker of Lok Sabha, Om Birla. The members of Lok Sabha themselves elect the presiding officer or the speaker from among themselves. All members have to take an oath of loyalty to the Indian Constitution in the presence of the speaker. The speaker supervises the proceedings of the Lok Sabha and maintains order and discipline in the House. With this, we end this video. Thank you.